Hello and welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm going to be teaching you, I'm going to be listing out 5 AI niche that can actually do what that you can actually venture into and you can get monetized less than in a month, that people do not know that is actually going viral now. A lot of us are wondering if YouTube have actually banned AI. No, or if YouTube does not permit or does not want AI to be used on their platform. No, just that you've not discovered the right way of how to use this. So some people just make content using AI from A to Z. Now there are some niches that are actually doing well. You started with AI and they're still doing it with AI, and YouTube does not have issues with their channel at all. So I will advise you to stick to these 5 niches made with AI that YouTube will do what? Will accept and have you monetize as fast as possible. So the last one is going to shock you. Alright, let's dive in. I want you to guess the first one, but anyway, I'm just joking. So the first one here in our list is AI tutorial and how to content. Like this particular video that I'm making now is part of it. If you can actually teach how people can actually use AI tools, you can teach how people can use AI tools, how to generate this, how to generate that, how to come up with this with AI, and bring AI updates for people, what they need to know, the one that is actually free, the one that is paid, and the one that is paid, how you can. So if you can, a lot of people are curious, they want to, they want to explore. Do you get? Some people want all these people, they like free things. They want to see the latest AI that is actually free. So you can come up teaching them and bringing those updates to them. So you can definitely get view on if you start with this type of niche. So when you are teaching AI stuffs, one of the niche I'm talking about. So the second one is AI tools review. It's like the first one that I said. So if you can, bring updates, I would say this one is just like the B part of the first one. You get, it's kind of related to it. So I want you to stick to the very end of this video, so I will reveal what the last one is. You'll be shocked. Those people that are doing the last one, guy, let me not say anything. So the second one, like I said, is what? AI tool review and comparison. If you check now, there are some platforms that are actually doing what? There are some channels that are actually doing what? Reviewing different AI tools and comparing them. Like the video I watched, I think yesterday, we were trying to compare the new Grok feature now to Cadence. The guy was trying to compare the two and see which one works better. Do you get? People want to see what this AI can perform and what the other AI can perform to compare. People are just curious. Even me too. I used to watch those videos too. Do you get? Because I love things about AI. Some people can start talking about ChatGPT and cloud. Do you get? Or with Gemini, what Gemini can, things like that. They want to see that comparison. They want to see who is greater. What can this one do better than this? Which one should I use instead? Do you get? If you can be teaching people this, people want to see the comparison. Just like you comparing iPhone and Samsung, people want to see what Samsung has that iPhone does not have, what iPhone has that Samsung does not have. Do you get? So that's the second niche that will help. The third one we have here, guess what? AI storytelling. Now there are some AI storytelling niches that are finding it difficult with YouTube. Why? Because of what? The voice over. That's one. Two, how are they actually telling these stories? quality actually matters. So this one is crazily attracting the attention of people on YouTube. Like you see somebody will just post something about, just title it, a husband who left his wife, this and that, and in the next few hours the person is having thousands of views. That niche is crazy. And though YouTube have demonetized some of the channels because those people don't really know how to make this kind of video. I'm going to make another video for you of how you can make this kind of video without you having issues with YouTube, because YouTube knows what they are looking for. They don't like mass produced content where you just come and you'll be using image and just use one AI voice and just label on it. I'm using image to be telling the story. That's one of the problem. Don't worry, I will talk about that in our next video. So our next niche, which is the third one, is what AI storytelling. If you know how to tell clean story, emotional story, intriguing story that can actually keep your audience, do you get? My brother, my sister, you're going to make a lot of money on YouTube. That's the third niche. So let's dive into the fourth niche. Using AI to make things. Using AI to do what? Make things. What do I mean by that? This is actually broad. If you check on different people's channel now, they're using AI to do renovation, to generate things that people actually sit down to create in real life. What do I mean? If you look at you see that somebody will make an AI video of an abandoned building that was abandoned like a year, say a year, 100 years, and you use AI to do a fast-paced motion to transform that entire building towards a luxurious home. You check on YouTube now, don't worry, I'm going to be sharing them to you on your screen. You can be seeing them there on your screen and how many views those people are actually getting. Someone will start up a channel today and next 1 or 2 months the person is already monetized because people are curious to watch such kind of content. Do you get? I also started that niche I think a month ago. Do you get? So I don't really have time to be posting consistently because of other things that I'm doing, but I'm still posting it. Like I think the first 3 videos that I was so surprised to see the amount of views that I have. So this niche works well. YouTube does not have any issue with this niche. Why? Because it does not have any background voiceover. The only thing is just visual. You are seeing the transformation of an abandoned building or abandoned environment. Or I'm just using this one as an example. There are other things that's why I didn't actually specifically say this is. I say using AI to make things. It can be anything. You get? It can be you decorating a garden with AI. You get? So that's another important niche you can actually work on. Then the last one, which is the one you want to hear, right? So if you've not subscribed, if not liked, please do it to like this channel. As you can see, it's very new. It has few subscribers. Please do it to subscribe, like, and share the video, as it will help you to push the video. All right, let's dive in to the last niche. The last niche here is what? Making cinematic movies. Making what? Cinematic movies. There's a particular channel, I've forgotten the name of the channel, but this guy uploaded sequential episode of, titled it it's about Ikeja. Don't worry, you see it on your screen. And apart from that, I will show you other channels too that are doing very well. They are making cinematic action movie with AI using the latest best AI model, Cadence 2.0, and you can also use View at the same time, because we have flow where you can actually use video for free. Do you get? So I can also teach you maybe in our next video or in our videos and other videos to come. I'm going to teach you how you can actually use video to make all this kind of cinematic movie. It's not necessary you make an hour movie. You can make 5 to 10-minute videos, and you see that you'll be shocked. I was watching a video, I think 2 or 3 days ago, and what happened is this person has been posting things related to AI. The person is having 20 views, 10 views, 15 views. Then this person now calm down and make I think 10 to it was 12-minute video AI action. It was like a sci-fi type of thing. And guess what? That person got 128k view in less than 2 days. In less than 2 days, 128k view in less than 2 days. And the person was having, I think, how many subscribers? I think 100 subscribers. But when that video was uploaded, it not even reached more than an hour. The person already have his 1k subscribers, and I believe now by now the person is already processing his monetization. So these are the niche that you can actually put your hand or lay your hand on, and you see that YouTube will accept you without wasting time. Do you get? So I will advise you to start thinking of how you can start working on your AI content. Since you don't want to show your face, you actually pick one of this niche and work on. Okay, see you guys later. Bye for now. Subscribe. Bye.